Right now, let's have Precious Young Girls Group, and they are going to do the most on stage. Contestant number 5, it's your time to shine. A round of applause for them.
Adam, you are free to eat from any tree in the garden, but you must not eat from the tree.
Baba, what this sample? They've given you a sample. Are you excited for them? I see now the energy is coming, eh? Yeah? It's doing the things that it's supposed to do. Good. We love to see it. Just a moment so they can get prepared fully. And as they finish preparing, contestant number 6, Eclet, please be close. Know your numbers, remember your numbers, and be very close to the stage, so that when one contestant is done, you go next as fast as possible. So, can we go, Precious Young Girls? Okay, can we have the curtains? Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Precious Young Girls Group, a round of applause for them. Thank you.
Adam, you are free to eat from any tree in the garden, but you must not eat from the tree of knowledge of good and evil. For when you eat of it, you will surely die.
Oh, honey, let me leave you here as I go and take care of the animals at the other end. I'll get back to you soon.
Has God indeed said, "You shall not eat of every tree of the garden"?
We may eat the fruit of any tree in the garden, except the tree in the middle. If we do, we will die.
You will not surely die, for God knows that in the day you eat of it, your eyes will be opened, and you will be like God, knowing good and evil.
Try it. Oh, Eve! Don't dare tell me that you have eaten the forbidden fruit.
Adam, come on. Nothing has happened. Try it. It's sweet.
Adam.
Yes, my lord.
Where are you?
I'm hiding. I'm naked.
Who told you that you are naked? Have you eaten from the tree I commanded you not to eat from?
It's the woman you gave me.
No, it's the serpent.
Come out. Serpent, because you have done this, cursed are you above all livestock and all
us another round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.